Living in Coachella Valley means embracing the beauty of the desert, but it also means dealing with the dry, relentless heat, especially during the summer months. While the landscape is stunning, the climate can be tough on your skin, respiratory system, and overall well-being. But there's a solution that can help you combat these challenges: a steam shower. First up is hydration. The dry air in Coachella Valley can strip your skin of its natural moisture, leading to dryness and irritation. A steam shower creates a humid environment that helps your skin retain moisture, leaving it softer and more supple. Next, respiratory relief. The dry desert air can irritate your respiratory system. Steam showers provide much-needed humidity that can alleviate these symptoms, helping to open up your airways and soothe irritated sinuses. Detoxification is another fantastic benefit. The heat from a steam shower induces sweating, which helps flush out toxins from your body, improving your overall health and boosting your immune system. Steam showers are also perfect for stress relief and relaxation. The warm steam helps to relax your muscles, ease tension, and promote a sense of calm, turning your bathroom into a spa-like retreat. If the dry heat is interfering with your sleep, a steam shower might be just what you need. The relaxation and stress relief can help you fall asleep faster and enjoy a deeper, more restful sleep. Aside from the personal health benefits, installing a steam shower can also increase the value of your home. It's an attractive feature that potential buyers will appreciate. If you're considering installing a steam shower in your home, our team of experts at Anthem is here to help. Contact us today to learn more and find out about our maintenance services. Take the first step toward a more comfortable, healthier lifestyle. For all your plumbing needs, reach out to Anthem, your trusted partner in Coachella Valley.